What if some of the most fun tech today isn't for work, but just pure excitement? From machines that climb walls to ones that fly and drive anywhere, today's gadgets are built to impress. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Let's get into it. Have you ever imagined riding a bike without actually being on it? The RC bike brings that fantasy to life. It's a miniature motorcycle you can control with precision, leaning into turns just like a real rider. The balance system is clever. It keeps the bike upright even when you're speeding across smooth floors or rough outdoor paths. Picture yourself racing it down your driveway, weaving around obstacles, or setting up mini tracks with friends. It's not just a toy, it's a way to feel the thrill of biking in your hands. And the best part? You don't need a helmet for this ride. What makes it even cooler is how customizable it can be. Some versions let you swap out tires or adjust the suspension so you can fine-tune the ride. Imagine organizing a mini MotoGP with your friends, each bike styled differently, racing for bragging rights. It's fun, competitive, and surprisingly addictive. Now, let's take to the skies. The RC helicopter is one of those gadgets that instantly makes you feel like a pilot. Have you ever wished you could hover above your backyard or glide smoothly through the air? With this helicopter, you can. It's lightweight, responsive, and surprisingly stable for beginners. The rotors slice through the air with a satisfying hum, and the controls let you rise, dip, and spin with ease. Imagine using it to capture aerial views with a small camera attached, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight indoors. It's like having your own personal aircraft scaled down to fit in your living room. And here's the fun part. Once you get the hang of it, you can practice tricks like hovering in place, doing spins, or even flying through hoops. It's not just about flying, it's about mastering control, feeling like a pilot, and pushing your skills further every time. From the skies, let's hit the dirt with the rugged RC truck. This beast is built for adventure. Have you ever wanted a gadget that laughs at rough terrain? The rugged RC truck is exactly that. With oversized tires, shock absorbers, and a powerful motor, it can tackle gravel, mud, or even small hills. It's the kind of RC vehicle that makes you want to set up challenges, like climbing over rocks or racing through puddles. The durability means you don't have to worry about breaking it after a few crashes. It's tough, reliable, and perfect for anyone who loves off-road excitement. Imagine taking it camping or to a park where you can race it against nature itself. The splash of mud, the crunch of gravel, the roar of its motor, it's pure adrenaline in miniature form. And because it's rugged, you can push it harder than most RC cars, knowing it's built to survive. Speaking of defying limits, how about a car that climbs walls? Yes, the wall climbing car is real and it's mind-blowing. Have you ever thought a car could drive vertically? This gadget uses suction technology to stick to walls and ceilings, letting you race across surfaces you never thought possible. Imagine the look on your friends' faces when they see a car zooming across your living room wall. It's not just fun, it's a conversation starter, a gadget that feels like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. And when you're done impressing everyone, it works just as well on the floor. The versatility makes it twice as entertaining. You can race it normally, then suddenly flip the switch and send it climbing up the wall. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like you're bending the rules of physics, and that's what makes it unforgettable. Now, let's get a little more natural. The remote control bird is one of the most fascinating RC gadgets out there. Have you ever wished you could control a bird in flight? This gadget flaps its wings just like the real thing, gliding gracefully through the air. It's lightweight, beautifully designed, and surprisingly realistic. Imagine flying it in a park, watching it soar alongside actual birds. It's not only fun, but also mesmerizing, blending technology with nature in a way that feels magical. It's the kind of gadget that makes you stop and stare, wondering how something so small can mimic life so well. And because it's so lifelike, it's perfect for storytelling. Kids can imagine they're controlling a mythical creature, while adults can appreciate the engineering that makes it possible. It's playful, elegant, and unlike anything else in the RC world. If you think 4 wheels are fun, wait until you see 8. The 8 Wheels RC Car is a powerhouse of stability and speed. Have you ever wanted a car that looks like it's ready for a futuristic race? With 8 wheels, it grips the ground like nothing else, handling sharp turns and uneven surfaces with ease. It's bold, unique, and perfect for those who want something different from the usual RC cars. Picture it racing across a playground, climbing over obstacles, or simply showing off its unusual design. It's not just about speed, it's about standing out. And because of its design, it's incredibly stable, meaning fewer crashes and more control. It's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like you're driving something from the future, a glimpse of what racing might look like years from now. Of course, we can't forget the classics. The RC sports car is sleek, fast, and stylish. Have you ever dreamed of owning a luxury car but couldn't afford one? This gadget gives you a taste of that dream. With its aerodynamic design and smooth handling, it feels like you're driving a miniature supercar. The glossy finish, the sharp curves, and the roar of its tiny motor make it a joy to control. It's perfect for indoor races, driveway competitions, or just showing off to friends. It's proof that even in miniature form, sports cars never lose their charm. And because it's so stylish, it doubles as a display piece. You can park it on your desk or shelf when you're not racing, and it still looks impressive. It's a gadget that combines play with prestige, giving you the thrill of speed and the satisfaction of style. Now, let's talk about a legend in the RC world, the Traxxas Maxx. Have you ever wanted an RC truck that feels unstoppable? The Traxxas Maxx is built for serious enthusiasts. It's powerful, durable, and engineered for extreme performance. With massive tires, advanced suspension, and a motor that delivers jaw-dropping speed, it's the kind of gadget that makes you feel like you're controlling a monster. Whether you're racing across dirt tracks or launching it off ramps, the Traxxas Maxx delivers thrills every time. It's not just a toy, it's a machine designed for adrenaline. And because it's so well built, it's perfect for long-term use. You can upgrade parts, tweak performance, and keep pushing it further. It's the kind of RC truck that grows with you, challenging you to master it and rewarding you with unforgettable experiences. For those who love versatility, the RC truck is a must-have. Have you ever wanted a gadget that can haul, race, and climb? This truck does it all. It's sturdy, adaptable, and fun to drive in almost any environment. You can load small items onto it, race it against other trucks, or simply enjoy the way it handles rough terrain. It's the kind of RC vehicle that feels practical yet exciting, giving you endless ways to play. Whether indoors or outdoors, it's always ready for action. And because it's so versatile, it's perfect for families. Kids can enjoy racing it while adults can appreciate its durability and design. It's a gadget that brings people together, offering fun for everyone. Finally, let's dive into something truly unique, the Amphibious RC Car. Have you ever wanted a car that doesn't stop at the water's edge? This gadget can drive on land and glide across water seamlessly. It's waterproof, durable, and designed for adventure. Imagine racing it across your backyard, then straight into a pool or pond. The transition is smooth, and the fun is endless. It's perfect for summer days, family gatherings, or just showing off a gadget that defies expectations. With the Amphibious RC Car, you're not limited by terrain. You're free to explore wherever you want. And because it's amphibious, it opens up new possibilities. Races that start on land and finish in water, obstacle courses that mix both, or simply the joy of watching a car float and drive at the same time. It's playful, innovative, and guaranteed to amaze. Which RC gadget amazed you the most? The wall-climbing car, the flying bird, or the amphibious RC beast? Comment below, subscribe to Miraz Tech, and stay curious. I'll see you in the next video.